Make a great choice today with the 2018 Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is sculpted to look nimble while hinting at the incredible power concentrated inside. The interior of the NX directly evokes the premium urban feel of the vehicle, combining the structural beauty of a high-performance machine with a material feel that maximizes luxury and functionality. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, roof rails, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.